Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to do some mouse actions like mouse over action, how we can able to. Mouse over action is nothing but whenever you mouse over, see now main item 1 you are 3 and we are mouse overing but we are not able to get anything. If I do second place again I can able to get some set of values and again I can able to get some set of values when it is coming, right? This format how we can able to achieve by using our Selenium WebDriver. For do this, we need to do for some inspect element and we need to check this particular item and it's a href and we need to copy for that XPath and we need to do some set of operation. Before that, we need to save driver. That is one element driver dot find element by dot XPath and comma and I'm going to specify my XPath for that. Okay, now I need to choose another one because I need to get for the sublist also, right? To extracting that one. And I'm going to do for subtracting place subtitles XPath I'm going to take. And again I'm going to copy L1 equal to a driver dot find element by dot XPath. And again I'm going to pass my another path. Okay, now we pass for two things and again I need to like sub place I need to click something in this one second first value I'm going to mouse over and I need to take this X path here. Now element 2 because we need to do two times mouse over and the third time we need to get for means we need to click for item but it will not navigate but we can able to do click operation. Okay, now we done for here and we need to create action class to do the action performance things. For that we can able to import this is the one like from selenium dot webdriver dot not dot selenium dot webdriver space import and action change. Change is nothing but do some actions. Even you can able to see it will give some description if you mouse over into that particular action place. The actions are a way to automate a low-level interaction such as mouse movement and mouse button actions, a key press, and content menu instruction. This is useful doing more complex actions like overing a drag and drop and like that kind of operation we can able to do it. Even it will do for some, it will give some sample code here. Even you can see action subject we need to create and equal to action change and then we need to give the driver reference which driver we are going to use and here we need to move to element means we need to use to the particular location we need to move that purpose we can able to use move to element and click operation hiding field variables and last one is perform is nothing but we need to do some set of perform operation means it will do some click operations. Okay, how we can able to do this kind of operations mean now we are going to create actions object and action chains and we need to give the driver reference. Once we give the driver reference, we need to again take the action objects dot a move to element. Move to element is first one is or is element one. Okay, and second again we need to move a particular certain location. Second location, sub location L1 means first here and second sublist. Okay, and third again we need to move to element. Again we need to use L2 element 2 means that particular location, this particular top one, right? Now once we move and we need to do some operation that is perform. Perform is nothing but to click operation. In this particular demo application it will not do any operation because if you click also it will not do anything. Okay, If you click anything, it will not do any operation, means it will not navigate any other location. It's a demo application, just a small how we can able to over the particular element purpose. Okay, in case if you want to see some if you have already something like which is mouse over websites, you can try into your end, then you can able to do so that particular operations and use that last one is a perform, then it will do for operation for perform. Here is a basic simple demo application. Due to that, I'm going to show you only for that particular because I'm not able to get for proper identification purpose. I guess when it is came mouse over, I just dragged that one. See, it is done very fast. Even you not seen, right? We'll remove one first. Okay, up to there I needed. Because it's very it is going very fast. Once it is clicked, it is escaping. In case now also if it is doing the same form kind of operation, will remove perform also. So now it is open and it click that is moved away, right? Now I'm going to perform also. I'll delete. What thing it will do, you can see now. Is a mouse action is like very complex to identify properly because what will happen, it will do very fraction of times, and even we will not able to get the sometimes we will not able to get some value also. I, if we are not using any perform, it will not do any kind of operation, right? So even you can able to see that failed descriptions every time it is presented. But if you are not using any perform thing, then it will not do any kind of operation. Even you can you will not get for mouse to element, move to element also you will not get it. Okay, if you use mouse over and if you do some operation and if you click that particular element, means it will open browser, it will navigate and it will move into that particular location and it will do the operation. If you remove the performance, it will not do any kind of operation because it don't know what type of thing you want to do that. It will go very fraction of seconds, you can check. Right, like this it will do some performance. Previous we removed performance and we checked, and now we done for properly for checking, right? This all about for moved that is a mouse over I hope you understand this video. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.